My name is Jennifer Spakeen, and I'm the Director of the Aging and Disability Resource Center here with Eau Claire County. Thank you for taking the time to view our resource video. We hope it provides you the information that you're looking for. Our ADRC provides services to older adults and adults with disabilities that live in our county. We also help those caring for individuals that are older or living with a disability, and professionals as well. We provide unbiased information and assistance, so if after this video you feel like you could use more information, don't hesitate to give us a call. ADRC services are open to anybody that is an Eau Claire County resident. There is no income requirement at all for our services, so please don't hesitate to give us a call. We hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.
When we talk about advanced care planning, there are a few documents we want to look at. The Healthcare Power of Attorney, or Power of Attorney for Healthcare, is very essential for everyone over 18 to have. And what this document does is lets a person designate another person called an agent to make healthcare decisions for them, but only if they're unable to do so. So it doesn't go into effect right away. This document is available with the State of Wisconsin form, which you can find on our website or contact us for the form. You can also go to the State of Wisconsin, and there are other options as well for making advanced directives for healthcare. In our office, we use the State of Wisconsin Power of Attorney for Healthcare. So there's a place, this is generally what it looks like, there's a place where you write your information and you designate an agent. And this person should be someone that you trust and know well, and someone that you've talked to about your wishes. So it's really a good opportunity for you to be able to assign a person that you want to be able to make your healthcare decisions if need be. It's important that you have a conversation with them, let them know that you did appoint them to be your agent if needed, and don't make them guess later. It's a gift to them if you can explain some of your wishes so that if the need arises, they can have peace of mind knowing that they are acting on your behalf. So if a healthcare decision were needing to be made, it wouldn't be their opinion. It would be them acting on your behalf, what you would want them to do for that healthcare decision. It can be a friend or a family member or just any trusted adult that you feel will honor your wishes. If it's not executed, if you don't make this document and something were to happen where you couldn't make your own healthcare decisions, a guardianship would need to be pursued. This document is really only a few pages long, and it's valid and active, or valid, when you have two agents witness it. And you can contact our office or your clinic for help in completing this form and making sure that it's done properly. The power of attorney becomes effective when it is activated by two physicians that determine that you are no longer able to make your healthcare decisions. Two doctors that have seen you need to examine you and determine that you need that agent that you appointed to be there to help you to sign papers and to make decisions for you. The alternative is if that were to happen and you didn't have a power of attorney for healthcare already made, your family or someone would have to pursue guardianship, and that's a court proceeding. So you'd have to be determined incompetent through a court proceeding, which is quite expensive and cumbersome, and it just can be a very stressful experience. So it is much easier to complete a free power of attorney for healthcare document and be able to have your decisions relayed to the person that you have for your healthcare decisions later.
The Power of Attorney for Finance is another advanced care planning document that is commonly used. The Power of Attorney for Finance is a document that authorizes another person, who we call the agent, to handle the financial affairs of the person who is creating the document, or who we call the principal. The Power of Attorney for Finance must be durable, which means that it remains in effect even in a period where you are unable to make your own decisions or would be considered incapacitated. The Power of Attorney for Finance State of Wisconsin form is automatically durable. The Power of Attorney for Finance must also be notarized, and the Power of Attorney for Finance becomes effective immediately unless you would specify otherwise in the document. The Power of Attorney for Finance allows you ahead of time to create a document to appoint who you want to handle your financial affairs. If this is not done and you become incapacitated or unable to make your own decisions, you may have to go through the more costly court process of guardianship. Another document that we use in advanced care planning is the living will. The living will is a document that is signed by a person that gives instructions to their physician under certain circumstances. The living will is a directive straight to the treating physician. There is no appointment of an agent as we see in the power of attorney for healthcare and power of attorney for finance documents. The living will allows a person to state his or her preferences for life-sustaining procedures and feeding tubes in the event that the person is in a terminal condition or persistent vegetative state. The living will does not apply to other healthcare situations. You'll see the website www.dhs.wisconsin.gov where you can access the advanced care planning forms that were discussed in this video.
Hello, my name is Emily Gilbertson and I'm the ADRC manager. I hope you got the information that you were looking for from our resource video. If not, or if you have more questions, we encourage you to call our office or stop by and set up an appointment. We also can meet with you right in your home. ADRC staff are available and excited to help you. Please contact us at the information provided to you on the screen.